Hello and welcome to Prudent Media. My name is SachinChatte and on this program we take a look at the latest releases. Today we will review the new Denzel Washington action film called Equalizer 3. I enjoyed the Equalizer 3 for the simple reason it delivered what was expected from it. Denzel Washington as a ruthless vigilante with lots of action and some basic premise to justify the action. The broken bones and dead bodies were a few more than were anticipated, but I guess that comes with the territory. Whether it is Seven Samurai or Sholay, there is always some catharsis in watching the good guys protect against the bad guys. In the case of Equalizer 3, directed by Antoine Fuqua, the good guy is not hired by the locals but just happens to be there and his heart beats for the people around him. Fuqua, whom first made a name for Training Day, also helmed the first and second Equalizer films and a forgettable remake of The Magnificent Seven, making this his fifth outing with Denzel Washington. It helps that he has this fabulous actor by his side. Lately, actors like Liam Neeson have proved that you don't have to be physically bulky to bash a dozen people on screen. If you're a good actor and the screenplay gives you a good enough reason to kick some ass, it looks convincing anyway. Like Mission Impossible, The Equalizer is based on an 80s TV show, currently which is being rebooted with Queen Latifah playing the lead as Robert becomes Robin. The good thing about this film is that no prior information about the predecessors is required to enjoy this one. It opens in a quaint Italian village and follows an elderly gent as he sees many dead bodies strewn around. The man responsible for it is Robert McCall, played by Denzel Washington, and gradually we come to know why he caused this mayhem. After causing grievous harm to others, Robert finds himself injured and lands in a most picturesque Italian town by the sea. It is a quiet little beautiful place with friendly people, and before you know it, he becomes a part of the community, even though he is an American and an outsider. The peace of the place is disturbed when the mafia comes in and starts to interfere. But fear not, our Equalizer is here who can single-handedly take on an army and make the bad guys wish they had chosen a different profession. Dakota Fanning plays a rookie CI operative trying to uncover the drug cartel that also funds terrorists. Her character and role remain slightly unbaked. Since this is the final installment of the 3 films, I wouldn't mind if she takes over the lead role. The film is at its best even when we see mundane things happening with Robert and the local folks. He regularly visits a cafe, carries his spoon, spreads a napkin to put his teacup on, and generally keeps an eye on the bad guys around. You know, it is the calm before the storm. You have seen before how that plays out, but you enjoy watching it once over again. The locals also play an essential part in the film. Apart from the people, this actually looks like a nice, cozy place where one could spend the rest of their life. Hence, the motivation of Robert getting pissed off because his peace is disturbed also looks persuasive. Quentin Tarantino regular Robert Richardson's camera work captures not only the location but also the action with a certain clarity. Above everything else, it is Denzel Washington that makes the film as effective as it is. He grabs your attention in every scene that he is in, whether he is beating up people or just having a cup of tea. All in all, a terrific Denzel Washington, a fair bit of action and a congenial story is what you get in the Equalizer 3. I'm going to go with 3.5 out of 5 stars for this action film. That's what I thought of Equalizer 3. Do let us know what you think. Do write into us. Our address is features@prudentmedia.in. And I'll be back with you next week with Shah Rukh Khan's Jawan. Till then, it's goodbye from me.
बाबा काय हावीतल्या महिन्यानी घरा आयला आणि तू
जाणा गो शाणे तुझ्याच खातीर सुटी काडिल्ली पूण आता अजिबात काय वेळ ना म्हाका हाय माय
बाबा
अरे राव हे घे व्यवस्थित खा एकटोच खा
होय
वखद घे
हा.
टायमर घे विसरशी
घेता
ना जाल्यार मोबायलाचेर टायमर लाय पळया
सायबिणी करता.
राव राव राव
आता किती
हे घे.
आता ही किती
आज निमणी तारीख. व्हडली लाईन आसतली, बिल्डिंगेचे भायर पावतली. अरे कितलो वेळ वतान उबो रावतलो तू. अरे राव 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 हे घे.
आता हे किती
अरे कितलो वेळ उभा रावतलो बस मधी मधी. अरे आता हांगा कित्याक बसले तू. चल बेगीन, लाईन केदी व्हडली जातली.
अरे ही सगळी सर्कस कित्याक?
तुका खबर ना.
अगो लायटी बिल भरपाची आज निमणी तारीख.
दवर ते सकल
हा?
बिल दी. झाले.
बोलले
अशें कशें.
गोय सरकाराची करामत. एका मिनिटान आसा थंयच्यान जायती बिलां भरात. गोवा ऑनलायन सायटीर वचप आनी कंज्युमर डिटेल्स घालप. मागीर UPI, क्रेडिट कार्ड, डेबिट कार्ड, नेट बँकिंग जाय त्या पद्दतीन पेमेंट करप. फक्त जाय ते इंटरनेट.
ते तर आमचे कडेन आसाच. तुजो पप्पा दिसभर फेसबुक, व्हॉट्सॲप, युट्यूब हातूंतच आसता. म्हणल्यार आमी दोगांय. तशें जाल्यार सोमते हे उदकाचे बिल.
हांगा हाडटे हांव भरता.
आता फक्त लायटीचे आणि उदकाचेच बिल न्हय तर बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट, मॅरेज सर्टिफिकेट, रेसिडेंस सर्टिफिकेट आणि हेर जायत्यो गोष्टी घरा बसल्या बसल्या goaonline.gov.in ह्या सायटीचेर आता सरकारी कचेरींत फावटी मारपाची गरज ना.
आता इनलाईन नाही, आता सगळ्या ऑनलाईन.
दरेक गोंयकाराचो आधार. डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंताचें गोंय सरकार.